We're back in Sicily, enjoying the flowers, the birds, the bees, and the tranquility. Sicily can give us a sort of different pace, a slow rhythm starting with a really strong coffee. Yes, you are allowed to have a cappuccino until 11 o'clock, but why don't you kickstart the day and end it with a cappuccino? No, because it's not allowed. That's that.
This is a new journey to Sicily. We've been home in Sweden for the summer. Why? Isn't summer nice in Sicily? Yes, and hot. The most beautiful season in Sweden is summer. So we do a little bit of cherry picking here. When it's starting to get colder in Sweden, we leave for Sicily. When it's getting too hot in Sicily, we leave for Sweden. You know the trip. We have done it before. Denmark, Germany, Austria instead of Switzerland this time, the Alps, and then northern Italy. And actually, I dared to take the ferry this time.
Yes, I wouldn't say dared. You did it, but it was not without fright. My God, he cramped onto everything and didn't go near the gunwale. Did he sleep? Yeah, in fact, much to his annoyance. The ferry from Genoa to Palermo takes 21 hours, so you have a lot of time to imagine Titanic scenes. But this time the sea was calm and friendly, and we didn't get seasick or anything. We even watched a movie at the cinema.
Arriving in Sicily made me calm again, and I was happy to be on safe ground. Not everybody would believe that, arriving in Palermo.
We fucking did it again.
But we celebrated our 3.5 days trip with a glass of local wine on the terrace. Everything wasn't safe and sound when we arrived. No rain this year makes the land a prey for the fires. You could smell the fires everywhere and even see them. Sometimes we saw firefighting planes, filling the tanks with water from the sea and pour it over the hillsides.
This time we started the renovation of our living room. This is before. Walls were crumbling in the lower parts of the room, so we had to chip away all the loose plaster, then fill it up with new. I thought it would be fun to paint the walls in a different way. A botanical room, maybe? Trees and plants, how I remember seeing them in Italy. Piece by piece it came together, and I had so much fun, I couldn't stop. One wall finished. 3 to go. Yay! Before? After? What do you think? Write in the comments.
We hope you appreciate and you love to follow us our journey in Sicily. So hit the like button and subscribe. It really means a lot to us if you subscribe. Thank you. Ciao.
Ciao!